Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to convert PDF into JPG. Start by opening your web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type in Combine PDF. Look through the search results and find the website that says Combine PDF. Click on it to access the PDF combining tool. On the PDF combining tool page, you will see different options. Make sure to select the one that says PDF to JPG. Once you've selected the PDF to JPG option, you will notice a button that says Upload Files. Click on it to choose the PDF file you want to convert. Browse through your computer files and select the PDF file you want to convert to JPG. Once you've selected it, click on the Open button. Now the website will start converting your PDF file to JPG. You should wait for a few moments depending on the size of the file. Once the conversion is complete, you'll be able to download the converted file. Look for a button or link that says Download or Save. Click on it to save the JPG file to your computer. After downloading the file, navigate to the location where it was saved on your computer. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.